One of my most favorite comedians is Sabinus. Very funny man. I like him, but also very focused. All right, so many of you are very interested in putting in solars in your place. These are wires for solar. And what we're here today to talk about is choosing the right system. Now, there are two categories of people. Those of you that want to upgrade from your past neighbor systems to those of you that want a perfect system in your home. And we're going to differentiate both of them, right? So if you come to my store to get a solar system, or you call me on the phone and tell you want to get a solar system, we'll ask you what it is you want to power. Most of you are just interested in powering lights, TVs, and fans. Those are small systems, right? And those systems usually would not require a very large battery bank, and their costs is also not much. But if you're someone that wants to power ACs, televisions, washing machines, pumping machines, heaters, microwaves, there are solar systems that can also power that. The misconception most of the time is that solars are for only small items. So that's the misconception, and I want us to take that misconception out. The only problem is that the higher a solar system is, the more pricey it is. So how will you now choose your solar system? Look at your average cost. Average cost on NEPA, band A. We're focusing on band A because they're the ones that spend the highest, right? So let's say category A are the people that want to use light, fans, bulbs, and TV. And category B want to use 3 ACs, washing machines, pumping machine, heater, microwave, lights, TV, 3 sets of TV, 55 inches. So these ones, let's look at your average service apartment. Why this one is just a normal man that just has a 3-bedroom flat that is just managing himself, right? Now, the first question you need to ask yourself is that if you use a generator, what size of generator do you use? So if we look at this person should be using maybe a 2.2 kVA generator. Someone like this now should be using at least a 12 kVA generator. That will help you understand the size of inverter that you're supposed to get. The second thing you should look at is how much you're paying for your NEPA bill. So this person from a band A sector might be paying, let's use an average of maybe 600K monthly. This person maybe 50K monthly. We want to recover cost of investment over a period of 3 years. By 12 is 600,000. By 3 is 2.1 million. This same person, 600K, 7.2 per year. By 3.2 is 14.4 plus 700 is 20. What's that? 14 million plus 7. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21.6. I'm correct. We'll verify that. So this person is spending 21.6 M every 3 years. This will help you understand what you're supposed to get. If this person spends 21.6 million naira on a solar system, he should be able to get a 20 kVA, 60 kilowatt hour batteries, and sufficient panels that will be on the roof to power it. This person will go off grid. If this person spends 2.2 million, he should be able to get a 3.5 kVA, 2 tubular batteries, and sufficient panels that will power it, taking the person off grid as well. This is the best way to know the exact solar system that you need. Any other thing other than that would not work. If you try to buy a solar system without calculating this cost, you might end up spending above what you're supposed to purchase, meaning you won't recover your investment because solar system is an investment, or you might end up undersizing the system because you want to save money and then it will not carry the required equipment that you want to have. Right? I will be hosting a comprehensive class on solar training for those of you that are interested. If you really want to know how to set up your systems in your home by yourself and make extra income, click on the link and join the class. It will be starting first week of June. This is my own 2 cents. Don't say I didn't tell you, Be guided.